Let us learn about the landslides or rift collapse. See here, there are a picture that the landslide took place and the people are saving the other people from that, right? See how it forms. You can see what happens is a part of the mountain. Hmm? So there is a natural crack of features present in the hard rock, huh? Which causes them to break. And this happens is when there are heavy rains. What happens is the water they enter in the cracks. Okay, and then due to this water which gets stored in the cracks in the night when the temperature is down, the water starts expanding, and this gives rise to weathering of the rocks. So when the weathering of the rocks takes place, the weight increases and this rock slides on the slopy region and they settle at the lower side. This is called as the collapse or the rift. Let us understand about the causes of the landscape. The after effects of the natural disasters like earthquake, tsunami, heavy rains, storms, floods cause the landscape. Moreover, the unlimited cutting of the trees causes the soil erosion. As you all know, children, the roots hold the soil. When the cutting of the trees takes place, what happens is the roots are not there to hold the soil. So all the soils on the hilly region, they will come down along with the water, isn't it? So soil erosion takes place, and in that the mainly sometimes even that the landslide also takes place. So see here we have shown the cutting of the trees. Then moreover, while building the roads in the mountain, there is a lot of digging. There they make the tunnels. See, when you go towards Mumbai, Pune, simple, the nearest place to us is Pune, where all this tunnel comes. If you happen to go to Dombivali also, through railway, you will come across one or two tunnels. What are tunnels? It is the road made inside that mountain part. The ऊपर पूरा mountain है, mountain के अंदर ऐसे रास्ता बनाते हैं, right? So the digging is done na. So see in the base part digging is done. So what will happen to the upper part? The more chances are there not for them to collapse, isn't it? So these are the main causes of the landslides. Now, if the landslide takes place, what are the effects of the landslides? First of all, the river gets flooded and it changes their path also. You can observe here. The displacement of the waterfalls, formation of an artificial water reservoirs, whatever we are making, huh? Due to that, the soil erosion takes place. Third, there is a live or the financial loss on the large scale as the tree, building, rocks, etc., which are there on the slopy area, they collapse. See here. What is happening here now? This landslide is there and it is affecting the traffic. This happens is mostly in Jammu Kashmir area. I myself got stuck up one time in such traffic when there was a glacier, that is the icebergs, they fall down, that is called as a glacier. That is also type of the landslide, and they often come across this type of traffics. Moreover, children, all this destroys the plant life also. Okay, so because soil erosion takes place now, so plant lives are definitely going to be affected, right? So it gives rise to traffic jam, it gives to rise to the destroy of the plant life, building trees also on the lower slopey areas, they will collapse. Even the rivers, they change their paths. So many effects are there of the landslides, right? So that's all about this chapter.